Hello, friends, and welcome to another episode of spending money on things that I don't need, because that's how anxiety manifests sometimes. Today, we are joined with Sir not appearing in this film.
Oh.
I don't want...
It's fine.
I feel like it's a violation of your privacy if I put your face on social media.
Wow.
We have been assigned to stay out of the house for reasons that shall not be named. What do we have to do on the list that I had you write down?
So before we go to Joann's for miscellaneous objects, I'm just playing. We're going to Joann's.
We're both a little crafty.
Yeah. Then we're gonna go to Sally's for a hairnet, Plato's for sandals, Hollywood Feed for dog food. That I understand.
Yes.
Either Boba or Dark Side. You might want to go to Boba with Dad and me, but
yeah,
we don't really know.
I think that we're probably gonna get boba tea later today as a family.
Yeah.
When we can all regroup
and get together. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to Our House.
That is a thrift shop, and that's kind of like another thing of like, we'll let the thrift shop decide what we need from there.
Yeah.
Once again, it is an episode of spending money we don't need to spend.
And then Rook's Antiques. We'll let the antiques decide.
That's probably gonna be Mom getting old people jewelry.
I want old jewelry.
Well, we're at Plato's right now. We are parked in front of Plato's.
Oh.
So
I didn't see that because of the tree.
Yeah, we are parked in front of Plato's closet right now, so that might be jewelry that's a little bit more up your alley. Like since we're both out, I am definitely willing to get some stuff for you.
Yay.
You know, I'm very susceptible to peer pressure by my own child, so
I don't want to pressure you, Mom.
If the item that you want is like $100 each, then I'm not gonna do that. I commend anyone brave enough to wear those shorts. I love them, but that is a lot.
I could wear them.
I don't think so. I think those are too big for you. These are a good length short, but like they're almost always like right next to shorts that are like that. And
these are no.
your butt will escape.
Yes.
Booty cheeks.
I got a whole big thing of chicks.
Booty cheek. The lace is cute, but I think that might end up in a cheeky situation too.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that the boyfriend style, like with the acid wash, is pretty
I love it.
style now. So
wait, how does it look? It looks like it'll fit.
Maybe it's worth trying on at least. I do not need all the linen shorts. I feel like I'm definitely liking the naturalistic spring decor over beach. Gnomes. Frogs. I don't think that I want to get manga drawing books this time because we just put that on your birthday list not too long ago.
This one, yes.
So
yeah, like my birthday is next month, so.
Yeah, we can wait a little bit to see what surprises we get for our birthday.
Okay.
But we did take a picture of the chibi book.
Chibi?
Chibi.
No, we didn't take a picture of the chibi.
We
took
just
a picture
did.
of this one. Oh.
We just did.
There's that one.
Yeah, we got the
And
chibi
then
book.
there's this one.
And that one, and we can keep that in mind for birthday stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, so far we have not really spent that much money. We went to Plato's Closet and got 2 sets of earrings.
Yeah.
And I did not find sandals that I liked. We even stopped into Shoe Carnival and
just to see.
Yeah, just to see, and we didn't even find sandals that I liked there. I'm very spoiled by Goodwill because I'm also under the impression like I'm used to somebody else breaking my shoes in for me. So why should I have to break my shoes in myself? And Joann's, like I didn't have much luck in the fabric remnants section. The next stop should be Sally's, then probably Hollywood Feed. On the way back, hit up a thrift store.
Rook's Antique.
Then Rook's Antiques.
Maybe Dark Side. Either Dark Side or Boba.
You're steady into like, can we just get Dark Side and Boba today? I feel like that's what you're just like trying to slide
I'm not trying to. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to.
But what if we, ¿por qué no los dos? We have regrouped at the house for a bit, took a bit of a break, and now we're on our way to Kauai Boba. And The 15-year-old is telling us about tequila now.
It can be pretty strong.
I mean, apparently Senor Tequila is known for the tequila, which is quite strong at Senor Tequila.
It's in the name.
It tastes really good.
1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila, 4.
Hey, nobody got pregnant though. How are we feeling though? I'm not sure if I want to feel Mexican, but I don't feel like anything else specifically. Just boba.
I don't feel anything specifically except, boba, maybe.
I don't know.
Yeah. I don't know.
We'll discuss it.
Yeah.
I do really like the stars. I think that there are like some squares in there, but I really like the stars.
I do too. Mine is a birthday surprise. This is what the inside looks like.
Yeah.
I already ate the Pocky sticks.
Does your drink have any like special flavor in there, Bubbles?
More strawberry than anything.
Okay. Mine is just standard jelly, and I need to remember that I need to specify less sweet things. This is decidedly not Mexican. Surprise, we got Kauai boba and pizza. I know, you're shocked. Well, first we stopped by Plato's Closet.
Yeah.
And
that's where we got
earrings.
earrings.
You want to show that in the camera?
Right, and then my pearls.
Went to Joann's and I got 2 spools of thread. I know, you are so excited.
Surprise.
Surprise.
Yes.
So surprise. From Sally's, I got 2 hairnets, a bun size and a regular size.
I got fake nails because I've been tired of my nails looking like this.
Oh yeah, we still have dog food in my car. Surprise, we got dog food.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, that's still in the trunk actually. We got new Galaxy leggings from Our House thrift store. Hopefully that do not get a hole in the butt very soon.
Hopefully, yeah.
Another pink hair scarf for me.
That is pretty.
I think that this is technically either a towel or a napkin, but I'm going to be using it as a hair accessory. And then I got ballet pants. Athletic pants that are not like any of the athletic pants that I currently have, I promise. I don't have a problem. Oh, also from the thrift shop, I got a brooch that has sunflowers on it. From the antique store, I got another hair scarf. This has strawberries on it. Behold.
So fancy.
So cute. Do you want to show the camera the ring that you got?
Yes. My ring of pearls.
From the antique shop, I got a brooch.
A face brooch.
A teeny tiny butterfly that is also a brooch pin. She looks very delicate. He pulled out a box that had this guy in it, so I was like, can I try that one on though, because it looks like it'll fit, and it fit. I actually found a ring that fit at a store. I did not have to special order it.
Mama has tiny fingers.
My ring size is 5, and usually at stores, like most stores will start at size 6. Seeing like a ring like actually in a store that I could just put on and wear was just like,
excited.
Can I? I didn't necessarily want to go in and buy a ring, but I got a ring just because it fit.
Yay!
Yay! So that
Baby, go on, Betty.
the lovely fruits of our shopping excursion. If you liked what you saw, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you, Penny. You're here to help me in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, feel like sticking around, feel free to like this video, give it a thumbs up, make a question, comment, or concern down below. Like, what kind of things do you usually peruse for when you just need to get out of the house? Or what do you do when you just need to get out of the house? So once again, thank you so much for watching. New videos should be coming out Tuesdays and Fridays, sometimes just one though. So if I were you, I would subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I actually do post. Stay happy, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye. I should have figured out what I needed to say before I did this, but okay.
Jeez, Penny.
She is destructor.
Yep.
Don't like and subscribe to Panu.
Yeah, don't like, don't tell Panu you like her, because she will, it all goes to her head. She has a huge ego.